Right now, we are living in historically challenging times, with unprecedented environmental catastrophes like wildfires and hurricanes, along with the deaths of so many legendary men and women who entertained and inspired people around the world. It's a time of extraordinary political turmoil, when the messages brought by peaceful demonstrations are complicated by violence and uncertainty. All of this while facing the deadliest pandemic in more than 100 years, an event which further laid bare systemic inequities disproportionately affecting Americans of color, and immigrant communities are hit exceptionally hard by the resulting economic crisis. Brooklyn is home to more Caribbean immigrants than anywhere on earth. 1 in 5 of these residents live below the poverty line, and a majority experience food insecurity exacerbated by the current crises. Answering that call is the Haitian-American Community Coalition, a nonprofit organization providing a variety of preventative and supportive services for a diverse constituency of more than 18,000 for nearly 40 years. HCC's latest initiative is to combat hunger, thanks to a grant from the Robin Hood Foundation in collaboration with Flatlands Community Partnership. Each week, volunteers gather fresh food and produce for more than 100 healthy food boxes, so that people in our community will never go hungry.
COVID-19 changed the reality of not only community, but also the needs of people. It can be a very transformative element within our community, helping people to pull themselves up, that overall the entire community, the borough of Brooklyn, the city of New York will ultimately benefit.
To combat COVID-19, the partnership distributes thousands of face masks and hand sanitizer and hosted a community-wide coronavirus testing service.
We are in a national pandemic now, actually a crisis, and food is so important. The population that HCC serves in this community are people from all of the different Caribbean islands. Many of them are undocumented immigrants. Many of them are also American. There's many people that have lost their jobs, and there are working class people that previously had food and now they don't have food. This is a community-based organization that supports the people. No contribution or no person is insignificant. Sometimes something small to you is something huge to the next person.
HCC offers a variety of services at the East Flatbush office.
We have a diverse staff, so you would definitely see a reflection of yourself. We have people who are culturally competent, who are sensitive, and most importantly, we need to respect everyone as they are. How can we best serve you? Be HIV testing, PrEP or PEP, case management, mental health, or fitness.
In addition to fighting hunger, HCC houses people in need, connects clients with a network of services, mobilizes resources into neighborhoods throughout Brooklyn, operates the Brooklyn Empowerment Wellness Center, specializes in HIV education, prevention, testing, care, and PrEP, and serves as a voice to the underserved, like the LGBTQ community.
Do I have your attention? Do I have your attention? Do I have your attention? Do I have your attention?
50K program was made for providing fitness services in the Brooklyn community, and a few years ago we expanded that to Fit QB to provide services in Queens as well.
Cast is brought to you by HCC. I am Cassie. And I'm Coach Chris. Yes.
Now that we've gone virtual, we have viewership in all parts of the US, Caribbean, and in the UK. Our live stream classes reach 150 people every week inside of Zoom, on Facebook Live and Instagram Live. We reach towards 3,000 people every week.
The reason HCC exists is to empower the people right here in this community.
Yo aide nou pou manger, et puis yo aide nou pou bénéfice, fête qui gagne, yo fête si fête avec nous. Yo ba nou cadeau, et puis gade les tout, stress la pon nou pou moi relé, mon docteur a parlé avec moi, yo parlé avec moi, yo dit mais comment, et puis yo prend camon, yo gen respect pour moun, ou kompren? Et puis, yo toujou di non porte la ouvert pour nou, n'importe problème nou genye, nou met vene, nou met rele yo.
We are a community on the rise. We're reaching further. We're moving faster. Our streets are filled with art and soul. Our neighborhoods full of light and love. Within these homes are people who stand up for what is right, face new challenges with courage, and are not afraid of what darkness may come. Because when our eyes see someone struggling, a neighbor hungry, a person crying out for help, Haitian-American Community Coalition is there. Right now, we need all of our neighbors from every walk of life to get involved. Go to hccinc.org to learn about all the incredible programs, discover how you can become a volunteer, and donate to make all this possible. Together, we will help our city soar to new heights.